to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I share entertainment news and a bit of vlogs, sometimes, not every day, but mostly I share entertainment news, guys. So, guys, as you guys have heard, the nation is divided, guys. The nation is divided, ne? Because Umini Dlamini is threatening to sue Umekji. Not what is threatening, she is taking legal action against Umekji. Why? Because McG said something on his podcast with him. Minnie Dlamini's relationships don't last because what private part. So a lot of people were, like, were against what McG said. People are like, no, McG shouldn't have said that. He wrong ngokusho so. Relationships fail. Why do you have to involve a private part yomuntu? Which I feel like it's so childish, guys. And it's really so childish. Like Minnie Dlamini is not the first person to have failed relationships by Gitinati Mowethu. We've been there. Just because Yana she's a celebrity, nje yazini kuba ngathi manje taboo. So guess and a lot of people were saying which make you was wrong, but then the nation is divided because a lot of some people are saying good high Megji is not wrong. Minnie Dlamini naye insulted Umekji, saying Gucci not insulted, I don't know, kutwa allegedly. That's one I'm not sure about. Allegedly, Minnie Dlamini was calling Umekji a rapist. You know? So ke sana the nation is divided ke ngalokho kuthiwa yeah Minnie Dlamini naye mos wake washo something like this to McG, and McG didn't take any legal action. McG didn't say anything. And also people are saying also with this one now, I am not sure, allegedly kuthiwa Minnie Dlamini naye still allegedly wake wa shame uItumeleng Khune ex-boyfriend or husband, I'm not sure there. So Kutwa, no, Vienna, it's fine when she does these things to other people. Now when it comes back to her, it's another issue. Like it's a different story. But guess Anna Okel is going ahead with her decision. She released a statement. Utinje, she is not backing down without a fight. Guys, I really want to hear your views on this one. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of this? Do you think Minnie Dlamini like should have just as in ayiyeke nje iphele nje indaba just like that? It is what it is. Social media will always talk. Ayiyeke. Or do you think Minnie Dlamini like is right for taking action against Umekji? Because now people are saying no, and so people are saying this and that. Mina, on this matter, I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. I want to hear your views in the comment section down below. Please like this video, leave a comment. I will see you on my next one. Bye.